Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Skype. Here we'll enter to first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Then we click clear cache. You'll find clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have on Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watch.